Welcome back, everyone. This is CryptoKoinz with your latest crypto-related news. This article was released November 15th. Cathie Wood talks spot Bitcoin ETF approval. Something has changed. We will be looking at the video, but first some words about this article. ARK Investments founder, CEO, and Chief Investment Officer Cathie Wood is known for big, bullish bets on investments such as Tesla, TSLA, and Bitcoin, BTC USD. Now she's teaming up with 21 shares on new crypto-based ETFs. Wood is bullish on Bitcoin with a base case of 600,000 to 650,000, though she believes it could go even higher if a spot Bitcoin ETF is approved. On the topic of a spot Bitcoin ETF, something ARK Invest has applied for, Wood believes something has changed because the Securities and Exchange Commission followed up to their latest application with questions instead of rejecting it outright. For Wood, this is a sign that the odds of approval have gone up. Now, at the moment, there's about 12 applications for a spot BTC ETF, and I believe Cathie Wood's application is due in about 2 months, early January. And she is stating here that she has received replies from the SEC about the application, whereas before it would just be silent. This seems pretty positive. When asked by Yahoo Finance Julie Heyman about the economy, Wood argues that weakness in the housing and auto markets are showing signs of recession, adding that based on what she has heard on earnings calls, you'd think we're in a recession. Wood says that the Federal Reserve is paying attention to lagging indicators, one of which is Consumer Price Index, which she thinks will turn negative before all is said and done. Let's take a listen at the video about what Cathie Wood had to say about her application and the change with the SEC.
Partnering with them on, and you've got your filing in. There's a lot of filings in. Every day, seemingly, there is a new rumor about approval of one of these things. What are you hearing from the SEC at this point? There's a January deadline I know that people have been looking to. Or how confident are you that you're going to get approval?
Well, something has changed. So we had put in a number of times a filing, and we were just denied. Never got any questions, really never got any response. This time, this summer, we got questions back from the SEC. Now, normally when you get questions from the SEC, you're just saying, oh my goodness. We were thrilled to get questions back because it means they're engaged now. Now, we have met a number of the research people at the SEC on the research side, and they are extremely sophisticated. They know what they're talking about, and the level of sophistication of their questions suggested, okay, now they're moving deeply into this. And we answered those questions. We have not heard back. That's a good sign too. They never tell you that you've satisfied them, but if you don't hear from them, that usually means that you have satisfied the answers to the requests. So that was new, and we also know that BlackRock got questions. We put our answers in first. I think they have followed, and I'm not sure about anyone else. That was different, and it says, okay, there's movement, and we are the first in line, just because we kept refiling. Others gave up, and so, but we just kept refiling. And we became first in line. So David against Goliath, right? And that's January 10th is the final deadline. They've been able to push it. It's very orchestrated. Push it, but the final, they either approve or deny on January 10th. And
what do you think?
Well, again, I mentioned something has changed.
Right.
That's good. The odds have gone up. There is only one wrinkle, just occurred to us in the last couple of days. They will approve a number at once. It won't be just one. That would be choosing a winner, given the way ETFs work. But we know Grayscale wants to convert to an ETF. I don't know how practical that is, or if the SEC will let them, or if they need a special dispensation. I just don't know the rules. Grayscale has said it will sue the SEC again if it denies the conversion. If they were to do that before January 10th, I don't know if that would throw everything up in the air again. I just
For
don't
the
know.
others as well.
For everyone.
Right.
Yeah, I just don't know. I don't know.
So there's still a lot of unknowns out there.
It looks like spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved sometime January. And as Cathie said, they will not be picking a winner. When they do approve some of these applicants, that means there's going to be several spot Bitcoin ETFs being released at the same time. That is going to be interesting to see how that unfolds. Doge go up. Ethereum and Solana hit hard buy sell-off, but Dogecoin makes gains. Ethereum has dipped below 2,000 again, but the original meme coin is pumping. This was released November 17th. The crypto market took a hit Friday morning Eastern time with all major digital assets except for Dogecoin. Ticker symbol DOGE, Doge, down significantly. Ethereum, ETH, XRP, and Solana, ticker symbol SOL, have all seen significant losses in the past day. At the time of writing, the original meme coin was trading for around 8 cents, a 4% increase over the past 24-hour period. And over the week, the asset, which was once Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency, has gained more than 10% in value according to CoinGecko. In the past day, $2.7 billion worth of Doge has changed hands. The only times the meme coin's volume has been higher in 2023 were around the time that Musk changed the Twitter logo to a Shiba Inu in April and a Dogecoin developer teased at new development in February. As of 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, the best performing top digital currency CoinGecko data shows. Elsewhere, though major assets were hit by a sell-off, ETH lost its $2,000 per coin level it hit last week. As of this writing, it has shed more than 4% of its value and was trading for $1,941. Bitcoin, the biggest digital asset by market cap, was still trading above $36,000 only slightly, but had taken a 2% 24-hour hit. In the past day, Bitcoin's dominance slid slightly to 51%, impacting overall market sentiment. Stablecoins dominating the trading volume in the past 24 hours, accounting for 89% of the total crypto market's trading volume. And so, which has been on a big run, was down over 9%, trading hands for $56.82 per coin. XRP was also a big loser, having lost over 5% in the past day. The asset was trading for 59 cents Friday morning. And Avalanche, AVAX, ticker symbol AVAX, which yesterday surged on news that banking giant JP Morgan used the blockchain to tokenize portfolios, lost more than 10% of its value. It was trading for $20.97 by the time this story was published. So we have a lot of great catalysts, a lot of things happening right now under the hood. I'm super bullish with these altcoins. I love Avalanche. I own Ethereum. I've traded AVAX in the past. And aside from this catalyst of JP Morgan, there's been several articles and news throughout the past years of Amazon using Avalanche's blockchain for future potential transactions. Super bullish Avalanche. That wraps it up for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.